guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are new here, welcome. My name is naomishapumba, aka Nay the Hustler. So in today's video we are doing another unboxing, guys. I'm super excited. Please do subscribe and also click on the notification bell so that every time I upload a video you will be notified. So guys, I am so very happy because this is like my first PR packaging. So I'll be having I'll be working with a brand for the next I think for the next few weeks. I'm not gonna say how many weeks because I don't want to mess things up. So I received this PR packaging. It's already open, guys. It's already open because I had to do it for the gram. I had to do it for the gram, and also I'll be creating more content regarding this brand on Instagram. So please do follow me on Instagram. Like, really, guys, I need you to follow me on Instagram. My handle is right over here. It's at Naomi_Yomi. And yeah, I also have something that's very important that can benefit you. So if you can watch this video until at the end of this video, I will reveal what the important thing is. So I'm quickly just going to show you guys what product I received. And I also would like to mention that I'm not a cleanfluencer. Cleanfluencer is someone who does cleaning, OCD type of vibe. With me, I was just curious. I wanted to know if this product really works because I saw a new product. However, I have been using Handy Andy. I'll show you which one I've been using, and it's been doing wonders. And then I saw that there are 2 new products, and I also just wanted to try it and put it to the test and see if it does what it says it does. So the brand that I'm working with, I'm sure you guys got it by now, is Handy Andy. So let's get into it, guys. I'm so excited, you know. This is so exciting, guys. So like I mentioned, I already opened this package. I received it sometime last week. And yeah, let's just see what's inside. I'm going to show you guys what is inside here. And okay, I don't know what to start, which product to start with. Okay, I'll just go with this one. This one is the one that I normally use. I'm sure everyone has got this one. It's the Handy Andy cream. It removes dirt and also leaves the surface shining. So with me, I normally use it for the bathroom and sometimes for the walls as well, but I'll show you guys on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, do follow me on Instagram. And then that's the first one, and the second one is this one. It's Handy Andy Multipurpose with bleach, ultra fast, clean and shiny in 10 seconds, and it also kills 99.9% of germs. This is new. I've never used this one before, so I'm super excited to try this one out. And then we have this one. I'm more excited about I'm excited about all the product, but I'm more excited about this one because this one is all in one. It's a floor cleaner, and it also has the power of Domestos in it. So I'd advise you, it also kills 99.9% of germs. So I'd advise you to really follow me on Instagram and see how I keep my space clean. Okay, and I also have, okay, I think this is for me. It's for my eyes only. And I have, I have gloves that's got the Handy Andy brand on it. Why am I wearing it? The Handy Andy brand on it. I shouldn't have worn it. Okay, there we go. And I also have this cute little basket where the products were the products were inside of this basket. This is very cute. I really like it. And I also have a letter, guys. I have a letter. It says, "Hello, beautiful." Okay. I don't know if I should read it. Okay, so it says, "Hello, beautiful. Some people look for a beautiful place. Others make a place beautiful." This is a quote by Hazrat I Khan. I think it's Khan. And then it goes to say, "It's comforting, calming, clean. This is how we describe beautiful spaces These are also the things that we all need right now to feel good and to keep our families safe from germs. After all, a hygienically clean space is a healthy space. So let's make it beautiful together. So here's a little home beautifying bundle to help you clean, brighten, and beautify your home with a little help from us. It's time to say hello, beautiful, with love, the Handy Andy team. So that's what it reads. Yeah, guys, I guess that's about it. So guys, please follow me on Instagram. Kindly follow me on Instagram at Naomi_Yomi. And I also wanted to mention what I wanted to say. The most important thing that I wanted to say was that if you buy any of these products, it can be this one or this one or this one, you stand a chance to win awesome prizes with 5,000 rand. So what you need to do is buy one of these products, keep your till sleep, obviously tag me in the picture or in the post, and then also tag Handy Andy and keep your till sleep, guys. That's very, very important. And then you get to stand a chance to win awesome prizes with 5,000 rand. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Naomi_Yomi. And let's put Handy Andy to the test. See you guys in my next video. Bye.